You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, panoramic sunroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.